This video we'll be writing the dimensions of torque, moment of force, work and energy. Before going into that, I would like to just differentiate them. So though the word torque and moment of force are used interchangeably, but they are not one and the same. Torque is also called moment of a couple. Moment of a couple. I'll try to explain this. Suppose there is a water tap, and the water tap, there is an axis pivot about which two fingers will be there, and when you try to open the water tap, this is the top view. From above you are looking at the tap, and you apply using your thumb, you will apply force in one direction. Using your forefinger or the middle finger, you will apply another force in the opposite direction. Essentially these two forces are equal and opposite, they cancel each other, but the result is, though the forces are balanced here, from this axis of rotation of the tap, this tip, this distance let us say d, then torque or moment of couple is one of the pair of forces. There are two forces acting over here. One of the forces multiplied by distance from one of the forces from the center point, the axis. So that is d. So dimensions of torque is dimensions of force into dimensions of distance. Force, as we know, it is ml t power minus 2, and distance is again L, which is m L square t power minus 2. Then I'll explain what is moment of force. So moment of force. In this way, when it comes to torque or a pair of forces, or we call a couple of forces, the net force is 0. But just imagine there is a door, this is the hinge, and the door is over here. When you try to open the door, the handle is at the furthest point from the axis of rotation. Here the force is applied. There are no 2 or 3 forces, like one force is applied, and the force and the distance from the axis, we call it R, is called moment of a force, which is written as moment of a force, which is equal to force into perpendicular distance from the axis, force into perpendicular distance from the axis. So in this case, dimension again force multiplied by the distance. Okay, so force multiplied by the distance. Force has a dimension ml t power minus 2, the distance, which is a measure of length. So then this torque, that means moment of a couple, moment of a force, they are not equal. Though we use interchangeably, they are not equal, and they both have the same dimensions. So torque, and this is again moment of a force, is m L square t power minus 2. Then comes to work done. What is work done? Work done by a force is a force acting multiplied by whatever the object on which the force is acting, the displacement of that object, or point of application of the force. Where you apply force, that point, how much distance it has moved, what that displacement. So displacement of that point, that is called work done. So work done, force has a dimension. So dimensions of work is force, which is ml t power minus 2 multiplied by displacement, which is a measure of length, that is also m L square t power minus 2. Then energy can be any energy. So energy of a moving object we call kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is half mv square, energy possessed by virtue of the motion. Dimensions of energy is dimensions of half mv square. So since this half, the number does not have dimensions, dimensions of mass multiplied by dimensions of velocity square. So mass is a measure of length, velocity is displacement by time, so it's a measure of length by measure of time, so which is L by T. So L by T means L T power minus 1. So L T power minus 1 whole square. So it is M L square T power minus 2. Let's talk about potential energy. So potential energy, gravitational potential energy. Suppose if an object from the surface of the earth, it is at a height h, its mass is m, gravitational acceleration at that point is g, then the potential energy is mgh. Dimensions of potential energy is m, dimensions of mass, dimensions of gravity, and the height. So mass is a measure of mass, again gravity. Gravity means gravitational acceleration. Acceleration is, we know that dimensions of acceleration is L T power minus 2. If you have not seen, just go back and watch that video and right. So L T power minus 2. Height is a measure of length. So then m L square T power minus 2. So whatever is the formula for energy, if you try to find out the dimensions, all will come out to be the same. So now the idea or the upshot here is torque has the dimension as that of moment of force, which has the same dimensions as work done by the force, or any form of energy, even if it is a nuclear energy developed, all will have the same dimensions.